Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to select a random array element using Javascript Math.random method. Now I'll create a function iRandom with arr as the argument. The math.random method returns a random number from 0 to 1. Since the length of the array I'll be passing into this function is 4, the random variable will be holding numbers from 0 to 3. So what this is going to do is multiply math.random method by array.length, any array that will pass into this, and floor it down to the nearest integer. When this is done, it saves it into the random variable. So this random variable represents the index of the array element. For example, let's assume random equal to 1. It will return how, since how is the element at index 1. Now let's test it by putting our random back. Console.log. My function iRandom and the array. So now let's see what it gives us. How it gives me how, it means the random number it got at first is 1. Now let's test it again. And now u, it means it got 3. 1 0 1 2 3. U is at index 3. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.